Y'all, Outre strikes again. Look at the hairline. You can't tell me that this 5x5 collection is not top tier.
When I grow, I boldly grow. And time pass, and thoughts of perfect. They will rise, no delight.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre 5x5 lace closure wig collection. I'm wearing it in the style HHB Kinky straight 24-inch in the color number 2. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So as far as the cap construction, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. You do get that 5x5 HD lace closure space, and it is pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hairs. Let me just show you this hairline. It is hitting once again. And as always, it's listed as glueless, so you can wear this glueless. The only adhesive that I have, as always, is just on my baby hairs to just lay it down. But other than that, there's no adhesive whatsoever. It's just sitting on my head. And once again, I did go in and adjust the adjustable straps as tight as they can go, just so I can get that additional security. So as far as the cap size is concerned, I do think if you have a small to medium size head, this one's definitely going to be able to fit you. And if you do have a larger size head, I think you should be good with this one because the cap does have stretch. And like I said, I did adjust the adjustable straps as far as they can go. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, so I think this will be a good one for small, medium, and big head friendly girls. Now the length on this one, like it says on the stock card, is 24 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it comes about just to my boobs, so it's like a nice reasonable length. And as far as the density is concerned, it's definitely not too crazy. It's about like 150%. I feel like the density is very nice. It's not too overwhelming. Some of their other units, I feel like they put a lot of density on, which I don't mind because I always like the big hair, but I feel like this one is perfect. It's right in the middle. It has like some thick, nice fullness without it being too heavy and too overwhelming, so I'm definitely here for that. Now as far as the texture, just like it says on the card, girl, it is kinky straight, so you are going to get that kinky straight texture. And look at that, it's definitely giving black girl realness. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this one. So yet again, y'all, I have no cons. So far, it's been hitting every mark as far as the 5x5 closure lace wig collection is concerned. I haven't had anything negative to say about any of the units whatsoever. Like, I feel like Outre just definitely listened to us. They definitely are listening to our feedback and taking into consideration, because this whole collection is just hitting the nail on the head. Every single one is just blowing me out of the water. Every single one has just been hitting the way that it should be hitting. So as far as the pros are concerned, girl, the hairline, the lace, the baby hairs, the texture, the length, the density, the cap construction, like, once again, I feel like a broken record, but Outre is just out here doing what they should be doing, and Sensational needs to fall in line and take notes, because Outre is that girl. Outre is absolutely that girl. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the scene. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.